Check, 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 1, 2. I am looking at this AXSM, which has been ramping up here and starting to take off, and volume flowing in. And the question is where? And I think the answer is right here. Again, it's right there. On the higher time frame, we're doing very good volume there. So I think it's 37.30s against 36.70s. 37.30s against 36.70s. Let's see. 37.30s against 36.70s. Let's see, I'm using kind of small size here. Again, the higher time frame is showing some significant volume on this up move. So I'm trying to find a spot, and that looks like it's the spot right there. And I'm trying to front run it just a tiny bit because there haven't really been that many pullbacks. So we'll see if we get filled in the 30s. Right now, the lowest it got was 40 cents, so very close. But let's see what happens. It's coming down to the 40s here. 46 on the bid. Did not get down to the 30s. Came very close again. Here's the 40s again. Did not get down to the 30s. There's the 30s. It got down to 35 cents and it did not fill. Wow. Got 2 cents away from me and it did not fill. I'm really trying to fight for my price there, but I may have missed it on that. That may have been it right there. But we'll see if it gets back down to the 30s again. It is lunchtime, but there's the 40s. They're defending those 40s. Yeah, 40 buying. Trying to get filled in the 30s here. That big node is at 26. I'm going to reset the high day. Let's see here. Big bid advertising here at 38. I wonder if they'll go visit them. $38 bid, still advertising. Did not get it. And here it comes. I think I missed it. There it goes. We're about to be above 38 here. Oof, they stuffed them. Wow, some crazy price action happening here. I'm gonna stick to my bid, see if I can get filled, but right now I'm not sure. Feels very uneasy. I don't really want to go chasing it higher. I want to lean against that spot there. That's a pretty good solid spot of a volume done there on the profile, on the footprint. Down into the 40s. There's just a battle taking place here. Here's the 40s on the bid. Did not come down to test that again. And in the back of my head, I'm wondering, is this one of those times where I just need to pay the offer and stop worrying about 2 cents? And I did get filled. I am long AXSM at 33 cents. It pounds through that level and is in the 20s here. And my stop down at 66 cents. So we'll see if this works or if this is just completely wrong. So I really want to hold on here. I don't want to take profit early. I will take half off at new highs, but I think if this thing gets above 38.50, it's going to 39. So I'm going to take half off at 38.50. Actually, I'm going to take a little bit less off. And I'll take a, nope, that is not what I wanted to do. I'll take a little bit off right above the hole, if we can get up there. We'll see. There's a potential for a massive short squeeze here, but I also want to be cognizant of everything, all the other factors playing out. Would really like to see this bid step up now and reject this price and start moving up above $38. And I think I'm going to switch away from reading the tape here and just kind of look at the candlesticks. Try to keep myself in this trade because I know that I'm going to be very quick to take profits, but I want to see this green candle, see what it looks like above 38. See if we can get a move back above 38 here. So I am purposefully not looking at the, oh, I got taken for a partial there. This thing just exploded up. Let's see if we can make a run to highs. 17 cents. Can they get out of the way? 17 cents. Can we explode? Having trouble there. And then straight back down. Pretty wicky. Pretty wicky. Gonna put another 50 shares out here at 97 cents. Did not get it. Still did not get it. Wow. So looking for a move back above 38. Let's see if we can go to highs here. I gotta stop looking at the level 2 and the time and sales and just look at these candles and try to keep myself in this trade. But I also want to not be stupid and take some partials. It is, yeah, this is the tough part. When do you be greedy? When do you? I think right now I need to try to be greedy. If this 17 cents gets out of the way, and going once, going twice, gonna take another 50 shares off there, right up there, right at that same spot where it just hesitated. I'd like to see a 20-cent bid, but I am not seeing that. Can this bid get above this 20 cent? I think that it can. And there she goes. We're at 50 something cents. I've had a 57 cent, and there we go. We're off to the races. Got a fill up there at high a day. Now she's gonna do a big pop back, and I'm actually good with taking this up here. I think this might run to 39, but I might just take off another tiny piece of it and then leave a quarter of the position on. Let's see what they do here. Yeah, I'll take off another piece of it there and then try to leave this on, this last piece on. And let's see if they could run to 39 or even higher. Let's take a look at the wider. Yeah, we haven't been up here in a while. If we get up here, yeah, I'd like to see this go take a run at 39. Where do I want to risk back to? Do I want to risk it back to 37? Not particularly. No, I'd like to see it go right now. Let's see. Can we make a run up to 39 or even 40? I think the squeeze is going to be on this thing. Hmm. Let's see if we can get a run now. I don't really want to give back a point or in change. I'm going to set an oh crap above 39, and if it just spikes up there very quickly, I could get filled. Here we are trying to take out these sellers here, and they're holding. They're holding. Flush down below. I want to see a quick rejection and come back up. Not really liking the action that I'm seeing here. Unless this is a trap for the shorts and it's about to jam them. But I am going to put a... Oops. I was trying to put a stop in. Down below here, that will be below my entry, so I will take a loss on that last piece, and I think the squeeze is on here, and I think they're going to run this to 40, and I would love to get this last lot off above 39 if we spike up there. And it does look like I have a work meeting in a few minutes that I will need to jump to, and I don't really want to be in a position during that time, so I have... Let's see here. We're just kind of floating around here. Really looking for this to jump back up above this area. Now, can we regain a 38 and really go squeeze? Nope. Does not look like they're going to allow that. Came into resistance there on the daily from right there, but I think that it's going to squeeze through. At least that's my thesis. Let's see, got a couple minutes. Down to the 50s again. Not looking really good here. Only a few more minutes until I have to head out. See if we can regain 38. Still hanging out in those 50s. It really feels like I'm just waiting around to get stopped out underneath here because there's going to be just this liquidity vacuum here. Can they go now? And it needs to really go. No, it doesn't have the power. Does not have the power. And I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it right there and be done. Head off to my meeting. So we will see. I will set a high a day here on this. High day. And we'll see if it goes. I'll even pause this recording so that I can show later what it does. We'll see if it ends up working out. And there it is, regaining 38 for a brief second. Let's go on pause. And just got back here, and looks like it did not work out. Finished with that work call, and it looks like this thing has failed down. So not upset about that exit there. Was reading the lack of getting to new highs correctly on that one. So good trade.